Hello everyone and welcome to another Richard Head Longbows video. We've had a few people asking about tillers and how do you make one, are they complicated, how do they work, what do they do? So we've got one here we made up as a portable tiller. We were going to use it for a bow making event we were doing. You'd obviously have to strap it to a post or something substantial, but if you had it at home, just screw it to the wall and it's finished, ready to go. This was made from pieces we had lying around in the workshop, but easy enough to get them if you haven't got that. Mainly an upright. This piece is about 90 millimeters by about 20. That's not critical, but it needs to be reasonably substantial. The top, we've got a piece of wood there set in and an upright, a little bit of ply, so you've got something to put the bow into. And the bow would go in there. This is only a very small junior bow, so that would fit in there. Plenty of room, so ideally you'd put some packing in there, bits of wood, whatever. You could have a big G-clamp just to hold it all in position, so the bow doesn't need to move around when you're actually doing the tillering. We've got a little brass hook there just to hang that on. Pulley wheel at the top, one at the bottom, very easily obtained from most hardware shops, nothing complicated. The hook was actually a chrome kitchen hook, easy. Piece of rope, this is a nylon rope, again could be anything. So once the bow is in the top, we put the bow in there, clamp it in firmly, and then obviously the pulley with the hook hooks over the string, and then by pulling on the other end, which I'll reach down and grab, we've got the pulley wheel at both ends, so we get that mechanical advantage of the two pulleys, and then away it goes, and you tiller it as you would expect to tiller a bow. Plenty of cord so you can stand well back and observe the bend of the bow. Make sure you've got both limbs bending evenly. The bottom is just a simple hook for the pulley. That could be anything, a U-shaped bracket, anything there just to hold it. We just used what was lying around in the workshop, as I said earlier. So that's basically it. Very simple. The sides, let me just put that back onto the hook. That hook's there is just to stop the whole thing falling on the floor, which you can do quite easily. On the edges, I haven't quite finished this yet. I've marked in pencil in inches down the side, and that would be measured from the top of the bow, which obviously would be the back of the bow. So marked off in inches, and I will transfer that to the front of the tiller so that when we draw the bow we can see the number of inches that it's been drawn to. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. It's a very simple piece of equipment. If you've got any other queries, please let us know and watch the rest of our videos. Thank you very much. What was I talking about?
Oh, yeah, when you say hello, welcome to the Richard Head Longbows.
Oh, I've got to say that, have I?
Well, you better.
Oh, hello, chaps. We've come out to the old folks' home. Been let out for the day. Right, welcome to another Richard Head. What am I? Well,
good start.
What is it? Right.
Go again.
Again, clamp it in so it doesn't move around, and then the hook.
I'll cut it.